chocolate milk?
Well, we hid this stitch yesterday and we gave clues and it's still sitting here.
Like you can see the road and
I know. I'm gonna say, I'll be honest, I would have had no clue where this guy was. But hey, he's still there. Back to the site.
Stitch has gone crazy again, and then come help Jumba, Quickly, and Lebo to come find him.
All right, Grace, Joy, Faith, you're gonna go on a scavenger hunt. All right. All right, go listen to Grandpa's rules.
Nothing is past the road. Some
Not in the
things
water.
are high, some things are low. I'm gonna
You
walk.
never would know.
I'm gonna walk down this way. When I stop, it will not be past me. What I want you to do is get together, close your eyes, count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go! Go find stuff. 2 things. Scavenger hunt.
Why you guys
Separate. You don't have to go to the same spot.
You don't want to go together. If you
Go look around, Faith.
Grace is gonna get everything.
She's only allowed to find 2 things. Whoa, good job, Faith. That one blended right in.
Yeah.
Grace, you only have 1 thing. Go find something else.
Oh, you found it. Go get it. Go get it.
Faith found something?
They didn't find the one?
I can get it.
Oh, you were
There you go. No, it's mine. No, mine.
Uh-oh, there's something else.
something else.
Oh, no.
Joy's got to find something. Joy only has 1 thing.
You moved it?
Yes, I moved it.
For the kid that likes to do scavenger hunts.
Maybe.
Back on the cardigan.
All right.
Here we go. All right, Grace, what'd you just do? We're hiding Stitch again. We're gonna hide him here. He's nestled in the rocks right behind the bus stop, and we'll see if someone can find him. He was hitting too hard last time, so we have to try again.
Yeah, but we're not going to let them see the bus stop in the picture.
Lots of construction going on at the fort as they transfer the old cabins to the new, right here.
Zippers. It has 3 pockets.
Hi, Faith.
Watch out.
I'm playing.
It's just ours. Uh-oh.
Did you have fun? We're on our way, walking over to another comfort station as we're gonna hide something over here. One of the bracelets.
I'll live on his little alcove.
Gotta make sure he stays in the shade. He overheats.
I'm having a big stick coming.
You don't want overheat, folks.
Where is my water bottle? Where's my new water bottle? I want someone to wash it.
Happy Halloween!
Stressful.
Happy Halloween.
Fort Wilderness Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
82
Hey, Grace, what'd you get?
Okay.
A
Smoothie.
yummy smoothie. Or kind of smoothie. Whoa.
Strawberry.
Yum. Faith, what is it?
Cookie.
It's a cookie. Oh, okay. You got a cookie drink. Her flavor's cookie. You're awake. Yeah, too much fun for Faith. Too much playing in the dirt and not sleeping. All right, we're off hiding more stuff. Hiding and hiding and hiding. It's been a good day. Everybody's been finding stickers, bracelets, magnets, squishies, all types of things that we've been hiding today.
I'm off to a wonderful place to go.
Hi.
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 Oh no.
Can't believe.
Exactly.
More hidden under the basketball hoop. Now we gotta ride away. Girls, what'd you find?
Braces.
Let me get let's get that cart not in it.
Little one and the would have it red and then one is scooter.
You guys use your eyes in the back, okay?
Okay.
Look out each side. Like this one, for instance, Ryan. This is an open one right here.
But on a lot, if you had.
Inside.
That's awesome, Grace.
We got popcorn to keep you.
They're ready for the whole night now, right?
I think so. We're
Yes,
up
because
there.
this is the only loop we're
It's like
stopping.
they One of our favorite things to do in the evening is to go looping. At Halloween time, just going through each and every loop to see all the neat decorations is incredible. If you like seeing it as well, you can check out our video of all the loops at Full Wilderness this Halloween. There are several that are super memorable. One that stood out was the circus site. Incredible decorations.
Want to chase each other around this hole in the ground?
Now that's a lot of Disney plush stuffed animals. I can't imagine storing them while driving. And of course, one of the most popular themes that you see every year is Haunted Mansion. I'm pretty sure this site is my favorite every year. That's because you can't even tell there's an RV behind all these decorations. I'm pretty sure everyone in the family was exhausted after going through every single loop. So I guess it's time to go off to bed until tomorrow.